see if it wants to go in. It's there. That was a bit. Oh! No, not right now.
You're gonna film all your mistakes.
I thought that I could force it, bend it a bit, but it's too bad piece.
Yeah.
Anyway, this we can listen later.
Yeah.
See these ones. Grab this one.
Are you going to mute the video or?
No, I don't think so. Right?
You're just gonna hear us talking.
It's just to show the guy that was showing me the thing. Show him how it got.
Okay, bucko.
So now it's here. Let's grab something we can clamp. Look, this one I was just sanding it on one side because it was thicker, so it doesn't fall off.
Okay, that's good.
Because the other one gets kind of stuck in there. You know, you have to.
Yeah.
So what is it? And then I just put it here.
Yeah.
And I hold this one up a bit. Clumsy. There. Up. Yep. Yeah, sure. Inte hela vägen, nej, inte hela vägen. Låt den bara uppe.
Hur du kan...
Nej, inte den, inte bra. Nästa håll. Där. Precis. Vi ska ha den istället. Men du måste klippa den. Så, nej, det är inte bra. Nej. Rakt inte hela vägen in. I'm not gonna do nothing with the... What? Jag vill inte ha skruvar. I'm not gonna do any edition of the video. Okay. I don't have the time.
I think you can make some made of wood.
Some what?
If you have like a I forgot to.
It's not working because it's missing that piece, of course.
Oh, this piece.
Yeah, this piece is there so that this. Look, now it's there. That's the thing. This is supposed to be here so that the metal is not fucking up the pine. Because
Okay.
no, but now it's working. You see?
Yeah.
Like that. You got it from there?
Yeah, I got everything.
Fine. Yeah. Okay. So that's the thing. How it works. Now let's try to do in the other direction. Grab a couple of these. Grab the.
Yeah, you should get a tripod.
Yeah, I was building something at home, but I made it. So let's do it that way now, and see if we can. We're gonna need something to put in the back.
Where do you get these from?
Which?
These.
A printer.
A printer, really?
Yeah, they come from a printer. I was putting apart the printer, and it has really funny stuff inside.
Yeah?
Right, sorry.
No, it's me.
Fucking printer, yes.
Oh, you're gonna do it like that. Okay.
Yeah, that too. Important. This is oak, but later I should make them of pine or spruce.
Yeah.
And then this should, wait. This wedges have to be all the way like protruding.
Yeah.
Come on. Yeah, because of the
Det här är...
Där. Vad är problemet? Vad är problemet med det?
Problemet är...
Okej. Då gör vi så. Det håller inte. Nej. Slå inte. Vi ska inte slå. Inte nu. Ja, det håller. Look at that. It holds.
Yeah.
It's holding. No fucking problem at all. Good. Now I have to continue working.
Sure thing.
Yeah.
Should I stop film or
What?
stop filming or?
No, stop. Så.